Who says adventure can't be stylish? This pink RC pickup truck combines eye-catching design with serious performance. Designed for style-conscious kids, this stunning electric climbing truck tackles challenging terrain with confidence. The powerful motor and rugged construction handle grass, dirt, gravel, and slopes, while drop-resistant design means crashes won't stop the fun. Watch this beauty perform incredible stunts, thrilling 360-degree spins and smooth double-sided flips. The 2.4 GHz remote provides interference-free operation so multiple trucks can race together. LED headlights illuminate evening adventures. Whether racing through backyards, conquering obstacles, or performing gravity-defying tricks, this pickup delivers non-stop entertainment. Rechargeable battery keeps action going, while durable build survives countless adventures. Perfect for birthdays, Christmas, or party gifts. It's the ultimate present for kids who want bold, confident style. Want to surprise someone special? The purchase link is waiting in the description and comments.